Hello and welcome back to the channel. A land contract is typical of seller financing that has many benefits both for buyer and seller. In a land contract, the seller provides credit instead of a lender or a bank. The buyer makes the regular payments to the seller directly. Once the total price is paid in full, the seller gives the buyer the title to the property. Land contracts are like rent-to-own agreements, but have even more advantages for the seller. Here are some of those more potential buyers. One of the biggest benefits of a land contract for buyers is that they are easier to qualify for than loans from other sources. For the seller, this means a much larger group of potential customers. Credit checks and employment verification steps required by banks and other lenders are optional with land contracts. And even if the buyer has poor credit, a low score is not a deal breaker. While land contracts open up comparatively more buyers, they also simplify the sale process by removing the need for a third party. There are no mortgage lenders or banks in the transaction, which can make things simpler and much quicker. This also means that sellers don't have to deal with traditional home selling obstacles like appraisals, checking the title, and more. However, all this means that requirements for qualifications are per seller discretion. This can have enormous benefits, but still some high risk. Seller still owns the property, owns the land contract property until agreed upon purchase price is paid off and in full. During that time, seller has rights as the other property owner would when renting, such as the option to evict buyer if they stop making payments. If the buyer cannot complete the buying process, the seller still keeps the property and can do what they want with it at that point. Sellers have the freedom to put the property back up for sale. Traditionally, try another land contract or keep it off the market entirely. Overall, land contracts provide some built-in freedom and peace of mind for sellers, despite the potential risks. Contracts have many benefits for sellers and buyers alike. However, there's always advantages to consider. Consult a real estate professional or attorney to determine if this type of seller financing is right and safe for you. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you real soon. Please like, share, or comment, and any ideas for new items, I'd be happy to know. Thank you very much.